We're here at Lighting Concepts in Lewiston, Maine, meeting with their friendly and very knowledgeable staff to help you with your lighting needs. We're here today at Lighting Concepts in Lewiston, Maine with the owner, Ray DuBlois. Ray, why a lighting store?
Well, in 1967, my parents opened up an electrical contracting business, and we found that there was a need for a lighting store in this area. And in 1994, we opened up a lighting store.
Truly a family business.
It is. Currently, my brother and I are co-owners of the business. My parents are still actively involved in the business, along with our wives and our children. And we are surrounded with employees that we feel are family. And we all share that family ideal with our customers.
Now we're speaking with Ron Dumais, manager here at Lighting Concepts. What's the greatest benefit of shopping here at Lighting Concepts?
The greatest would be product selection. We have a wide variety, carrying 70 different lines of lights, lamps, fixtures. Also carry some light bulbs and fixtures that are made entirely in the United States. A rarity in some cases now where they take a boat over, but we pride ourselves on buying local.
What's new in home lighting?
Everybody's buzzword is LED nowadays. What was LED 2, 3, 5 years ago, where everybody thought it was a bluish light? Today's LED is much different. We have retrofit lamps, that is, you screw into a regular socket. And we have a variety of colors for that, so that if you're doing amber walls or green walls, we can make those look that much better.
We're here with Danica now, the lighting specialist here. What brought you to Lighting Concepts?
I have a bachelor's degree in interior design and did a kitchen, bath, and whole house design packages before I came here. And as everybody knows, lighting makes a big impact on home interiors.
What's the item bringing the most interest to customers?
Lutron controls and automated shades are the items customers don't know they want until they see them here in our showroom. Lutron offers a wide variety of dimmers and switches that can be controlled through technology such as our iPad, of giving us safety and security even when we're not at home. Automated shades come in a huge variety of fabrics and materials to match your interiors, and they help control the outside light as well as the heat gain that can come in through your windows.
How does a customer figure out what they need for lighting?
We recommend that a customer come into the showroom and meet with our lighting designers as early in the process as possible. A lighting consultation can be done based on floor plans, pictures from your existing project, and we can make some recommendations based on what the site constraints might be, if it's a remodel, using existing wiring and how to improve on that, or a full lighting plan for new construction and making recommendations on placement of recessed lighting, decorative lighting, LED lighting, and controls and automated shades.
We came to Lighting Concepts because it was recommended by our cabinet person, and we love working with her, and she advised that we come here, and we're very happy about it. Well, we like coming to someone local because they give us the feeling that they really care about what we're interested in. They guide us rather than just push us in the direction that they would like us to go. I think oftentimes I go into a store and I think that I know what I want, and the ideas are probably okay, but here they open you up to things that you didn't think about, and that's what's so special about coming to a store like Lighting Concepts.
Come to Lighting Concepts in Lewiston, Maine, and see for yourself this amazing showroom. Located at 1033 Sabata Street, Lewiston, Maine.